we are here now in our studio kitchen this morning, but instead of using it, we're organizing it. We have Angie Hyche here with us from Shape Solutions, talking about, of course, organizing our kitchen. Last time we focused on countertops and space, and this time, I swear I didn't know you brought my refrigerator in.
Yeah, several people are saying that. Yeah, so we're in a series called Invisible Clutter. And the reason it's called invisible clutter, it's not that it's invisible to everybody else, but it's invisible to you because that's the normal. And so you stop realizing how cluttered it is. And the thing about visual clutter, whether you realize it or not, it affects your perception of the space and it affects your mood. So the more that we can get rid of that visual clutter, the more calm and peaceful our spaces are.
And I totally believe that. My kitchen completely affects my mood. If it is tidy and organized, I feel so much better. I want to be in there and making some more dirty messes as I'm making some meals. But we're starting with this, and you say you really need to start on the outside.
Yes. So a lot of people use the top of the refrigerator as a storage space. Now, everything I'm saying, of course, is my opinion. It's all your stuff. It's all your decision. That's what I always say to my clients. But the more you can get rid of that visual clutter, the better your space is going to be. Things on top of your refrigerator, the fix for this is you just need to find another home. And it may mean this is not a good home.
Right.
Everything needs a home. So if it means decluttering some other spaces to make room, then that is likely what you're going to have to do.
So the cereal should go in some type of pantry or cabinet.
Or somewhere, yeah. And if all your other spaces are full, then you're going to have to do some more decluttering.
Yeah, I always try to tuck everything I can underneath that little ledge there.
And it's often that you have some kind of container up there. Sometimes you're like keeping stuff out of the reach of your kids or whatever. And what will happen is just things get tossed, and then like months later you pull that down and you're like, oh my gosh, that's from like 2 Halloweens ago or whatever.
Yes.
You know,
and you're blowing off all the dust.
Yeah.
Because it collects.
So, yeah. And then the front of the refrigerator. I mean, you like seeing some stuff, but when it gets to be too much, you just can't really pick out the important and best stuff from everything. So some solution.
The children's artwork.
I know. And there's so many great solutions for some of these things. Like I'm a big fan of a command center, like a big whiteboard or corkboard or whatever, to put the stuff like the artwork in the calendar and that kind of thing. If you go on Pinterest, there are really cute solutions for hanging artwork on strings across the wall, rotating it in and out of frames. There's lots of great solutions. And again, it's okay to have a few things, but when you have this much, it's just really too much. I'm also a really big fan of going digital whenever possible. So things like the grocery list. The list is here. It's convenient when you're in the kitchen, you run out of stuff, but the thing is you get to the grocery, you don't have your list.
Always. That always happens.
So I love AnyList. That's my favorite app for keeping track of anything, and I can sync it with my husband, and I can say, Alexa, add milk to Food City, whatever. So I always know what I need. Calendars, I'm a huge fan of digital. I love Google Calendar, so I don't have to say, oh, wait, you know, you're out with someone and they say, are you free next Tuesday? I'll have to wait till I get home and look at my calendar. But if you have it on your smartphone or your tablet, you can just, you know, and sync with everybody. There's so many other ways to do this. These reminders. You're going to stop seeing that. That's the thing. If you were supposed to call Linda 3 weeks ago, and you can put it on your phone in your reminder app, or there's lots of other good solutions.
Poor Linda, right? Because she never did get her call.
I know. So
okay, and then I noticed too, like all your coupons, and I'm bad for that too, because I want to use them. I always have the best intention, and then they've expired 3 months ago.
I know, and it's so hard. My latest solution for that is to keep them in a little container or a folder or whatever, in alphabetical. But the thing is, you got to have them with you. I mean, this does me no good if tomorrow I go to Bed Bath & Beyond and my coupon's right here.
Yep.
I really like the digital coupons on my phone so much better, but yeah, but the thing is, if you have stuff on here, and it doesn't mean that if you've got 10 refrigerator magnets you love, it doesn't mean you have to get rid of them. Just rotate them, you know? Put some up, put some away for a while, you know, switch it out. Declutter it regularly. That's the key to every cluttered space. You've got to declutter it. The fridge is no exception to that rule.
Yeah, if you still have the Valentine's artwork up, it's probably time to switch it over to Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and let the kids help you decide which are the best pieces. You can always take pictures of the best pieces. You can put the best pieces of artwork, like I said, display it somewhere else, keep it in a folder. Lots of options. You know, let them be a part of that process.
All right, and it's all going to put us in a better mood when we walk in and we.
Yes.
And it's funny you called it invisible, because after a while,
Yes.
you're right. It's just part of the scenery.
Right.
I know. All right, great ideas. Thank you
you.
so much. Always fun to have Angie on the show. She makes us feel so good about getting organized at Ship Shape Solutions. If you have other questions, you can always check out her website as well.